Open Blender and delete everything. Go to render and copy what I do. Hit F4 to import your CVG. Select all curves and right-click and join them. Hit S to scale it up. Hit our X90 to rotate. Right-click and set geometry to origin. Come down here and extrude your logo. Drag this bottom panel up. Then drag this corner over. Change the left side to viewport shading. Hit this little clock and change to shader editor. Add default material. Delete this one. Hit Shift and add Glass BZF. Shift again and add Mix Shader. Connect them like this. Now add Glossy BZF. Connect. Change roughness to 0.1. Now add Fresnel. Connect to the top one. Now connect the mix shader to surface. Select your curve and hit Shift D and click without moving it. Turn down the extrusion a little bit. Hit the copy button and make sure you're on the new curve. Slightly increase the roughness and make it a little darker. Now add a slight bevel to both curves. I turned this one down so it's completely inside. Now do Shift A and add a camera. Follow what I do here. Now you can move the camera way easier. Adjust to your liking. Now follow what I do for the lights. These can really be done, however. Congrats! Now you can render. Phi to enhance the look. I like to increase contrast and brightness. That's it for this tutorial. Let me know what you want to see next.